Inventory shortages continue to be a real factor in Maryland and the primary driver of price growth. Happy New Year! It's Friday, January 5th, 2024. This is your weekly Maryland Market Minute. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring you market updates every Friday so you can stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Some Maryland areas are outperforming others. Remember, real estate is hyper local, so what is going on nationwide or even in one city over might not be a good benchmark to measure what's happening where you live. Overall in Maryland, 615 homes are coming soon. 1,074 homes hit the market, a steep rise over last report. 362 went under contract and 479 moved to pending. 1,093 sold at 100% list to sold ratio and under contract in 20 days. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Chesapeake City for $8,940,000. There are 2,410 rentals available, priced at $2,350 per month, and the rental market is leveling out a little, so it's not quite as crazy as it was. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, January 5th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.